Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. So what I want to talk about today is, behind us, the 2023 Dodge Charger RT with a 5.7 liter Hemi. The reason we're talking about this, as we speak, they don't make these anymore, but they still have some inventory at many of the dealers. So if you want one of these, you've got to get it now. Now, I of course am a Mopar guy, as you all know, and I wasn't really planning on getting this at this time, but my wife has a Volkswagen Golf, and it's kind of getting up there in mileage and in age. So we did want to replace it, but we were kind of thinking maybe a year from now. But the things we would look for to replace it would be, you know, a four-door sedan such as a Camry or something like that. And again, being a Mopar guy, I would love to get her into a Dodge. And as we know, we don't know where Dodge and the other Mopar brands are going now that Stellantis is kind of running things. So it could be a totally different company, and they certainly don't have any more Hemis after the 2023 model year. So we went down to our local dealer and we wanted to take a look at what was available. And there are many dealers that are kind of trying to gouge customers because they're saying, hey, these are the last ones. If you want one, you've got to pay for it. But our local dealer isn't doing that at all. As a matter of fact, they were greatly discounting them. And in addition to that, up until last week, they had those Dodge Power Dollars available, and it was basically dollars that were matched up to the horsepower of a vehicle. So the more horsepower, the more of a rebate you got. So this, of course, is an RT with a 5.7 liter Hemi. It's 370 horsepower. So that equates to approximately $3,700 rebate. This car listed for, in the 48s, almost $49,000. And we got it for $37,210. So that's a fantastic deal. Couldn't say no to that. When we first went to the Dodge dealer, we weren't sure if we wanted to look at an SXT with a V6, which still at almost 300 horsepower. The SXT was almost 100 horsepower more than some of the equivalent four-door sedans, such as a Camry. I think the hybrid Camry is you know, somewhere around 200 horsepower, and even the SXT is almost 300. But we test drove both of them, and my wife test drove both of them, and obviously the RT with the 5.7 just is so much smoother, so much faster, and it's just so much more fun to drive. So we had no choice. We had to go with this. So again, a fantastic car. It's the last chance to get one of these. Even though this isn't a Hellcat or you know, one of the SRT vehicles, it still has that last call badge under the hood. So again, if you're looking to buy one of these, don't get gouged. Go to a dealer that is discounting them, and you could get a fantastic deal, as we did. So that's it for now. Just wanted to let you all know that it's not too late to get one of these beautiful Chargers. And of course, this is an RT with a 5.7. You can still get Scat Packs, you can still get Hellcats, red eyes, wide bodies, but this is the time to do it if you're ready. Don't let the dealers gouge you, but go for it if you want one of these last call vehicles. Thanks for joining today. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and definitely like this video. Those things all help a lot. Take care. We'll see you next time.